Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mini Cooper side mirror, full guide. Start by gathering a trim tool, a ratchet, Torx bits, and a replacement mirror assembly, then disconnect the battery. Keep the door panel pry points in mind to avoid breaking clips. Take photos of wiring and connector positions for easier reassembly. Organize removed screws in order and set them aside on a clean. Begin by removing the inner door trim and locating the hidden screws near the handle and speaker. Carefully pry off the speaker cover and remove screws, keeping them organized. Use a trim tool to pop the door panel clip starting at the bottom edge and work upward. Lift the panel free while watching for the door handle cable and electrical connectors so nothing snags or tears during removal. With the door panel off, locate and unplug the mirror electrical connector and set it aside. From the inside, remove the 3 mirror mounting nuts while supporting the mirror with your free hand from the outside. Pull the old mirror away gently and thread the new mirror onto the studs, then finger tighten the nuts. Reconnect the electrical connector, test mirror functions before final torque, and reassemble the door panel in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.